Go.
Okay, here's this new model here. Supposed to be new. It's the one with the 3 options on the top, all electric, so it's plugged into the wall. And we had the prior model, which was more manual and actually worked. This thing does nothing but blow bubbles and gets no pressure. It even leaks all over the place, you can see on the floor. So it'll do this time and time again. I can stop it. I can try to get it a better fit, force it up there. I've tried to turn it. It just blows bubbles. There's no pressure mounting in there. And it's not the cartridge. We've went through 3 or 4 different cartridges. And then 1 out of 10 times or so, there doesn't seem to be any reason, no matter how I change the angle of how I insert it, it just depends like on some variable that we can't figure out. The point is, this product does not work. Our last one broke because it had some plastic gasket on top of the most important pressure hose, and it snapped off like any piece of cheap plastic would. The reality is this product is so poorly designed, and you guys are trying to maintain a reputation based on really poor quality products. And it's such a shame because we're buying these cartridges almost like a subscription. Every 60 days or so, we pay another $60K in gas tanks, and for this, so I can get frustrated before I have my cocktail at the end of the day. So thank you very much, SodaStream. Appreciate you to now prove that you have some customer service and solve our problem. Thank you.